In the quiet streets of Medina, a deep silence filled the air. The world had just lost its greatest light, Prophet Muhammad, saw. Hearts were broken. The future felt uncertain. And yet, within this moment of grief, four remarkable leaders would rise. Leaders who would protect the message, carry the responsibility, and shape the destiny of an entire civilization. This is their story. Abu Bakr R.A., the guardian of a shaken nation. When Abu Bakr R.A. stepped forward as the first caliph, the Ummah was fragile. Tribes were rebelling, confusion was spreading, and unity was slipping away. But behind his gentle heart stood unshakable strength. He stood before the people and declared with calm determination, "Whoever worships Muhammad, know that he has passed. But whoever worships Allah, he is forever alive." Those words steadied a trembling nation. Abu Bakr restored unity, calmed fear, and began the preservation of the Quran, ensuring that no verse would ever be lost. His leadership was like a shield, holding the Ummah together when everything felt like it could fall apart. Umar R.A., the visionary who built a civilization. After Abu Bakr came Umar R.A., a man whose footsteps once made Shaitan himself avoid his path. Under his leadership, the Muslim world expanded farther than anyone had imagined. Persia, Egypt, Syria, and beyond. But expansion was not his greatest achievement. He built systems, justice courts, welfare programs, police departments, postal routes, structured governance, salaries for soldiers, and social care for the poor, the elderly, and even animals. Late at night, while others slept, Umar walked through the alleys of Medina in disguise, ensuring no one went to bed hungry. His rule was not about power. It was about service. And because of that, his era became one of the greatest chapters in human history. Uthman R.A., the gentle soul who preserved the Quran forever. Then came Uthman R.A., a leader known for his softness, humility, and overwhelming generosity. Under his leadership, trade flourished, wealth entered the community, and for the first time, a Muslim navy sailed across the seas. But his most unforgettable legacy was the preservation of the Quran. He gathered the Ummah around one unified written text, ensuring that the words revealed to the Prophet would remain pure and unchanged for all time. People remember his gentleness, like the day he bought the well of Rumah with his own wealth so that every person, rich or poor, could drink freely. His leadership was quiet, kind, and full of light. Ali R.A., the beacon of wisdom in an age of turbulence. When Ali R.A. became Caliph, the world was in turmoil. Tension, civil unrest, and political conflict surrounded him. Yet he never changed who he was: honest, brave, deeply wise. Ali chose justice over popularity. He chose peace over victory. His sermons shook hearts. His words continue to inspire scholars to this day. He faced challenges that would break most leaders, yet he held on to truth with unshakable courage. Ali reminded people that leadership is not about the throne. It is about the principles you refuse to abandon. For leaders, 4 different personalities, yet one mission. To protect the message. To preserve the unity. To serve humanity. They governed without palaces, without luxury, without armies of guards. Their strength came from faith. Their power came from character. And their legacy became a roadmap for leadership that still guides the world today. The story of the 4 caliphs is not just history. It is a reminder that true leadership is built on service, justice, sacrifice, and unwavering belief. And as long as these stories are told, their light continues to shine.